Hi guys. I have a parcel right now and it's from Masdom. Wait lang, ang ingay ng aso ko. Chase! Oh my God! Kung kailan nagvi-video talaga ako. So we have this new bag from Masdom. Thank you so much, Masdom. Akala mo sponsored eh. So i-unbox na natin. Dami kong sinasabi. Ano ba? Ang daming tag. Okay, so this is the itsura of the bag. I got their newest. Ang cute niya kasi, ano bang tawag sa texture na to? Parang gamoza, something, ganun. And it's so pretty kasi may ano na din siyang kasama. And I got it in the shade chocolate brown. It's so cute! Oh my gosh! Check natin yung ano, yung loob. So the inside is very spacious. Merong pocket here. Meron din yung pocket na ganyan. Marami siyang malalaman ha, in fairness. Bugs. Oh, pack. O, diba? So pretty! Best purchase.